you're uploading videos, you're putting in the work, but your views 20, 50 flat, maybe when you're lucky 200 views, 300 views. Have been there. I know how frustrating it is. My shot went from about 100, 200 to thousands of views within a week, and this was what I did. First thing first, let's talk about why your short flops. This is what most creators do. They'll be like, hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, blah 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 blah. Can you just stop, please? You are creating a YouTube short video, not a full YouTube video. You've already lost viewers from your introduction. We don't need your introduction in YouTube Short. YouTube Short algorithm is recording how fast people scroll away once they get to your shorts. And if you don't hook them the first 2 seconds, you've lost the tendency of that video to grow. It's not your editing, it's not your camera skill, it's how you start. So what's the trick? Start with fast movement plus curiosity hook. That's it. You need something that will make the viewer's brain be like, oh, what is this? I need to watch more. Just catch that viewer, make the person curious. I call it the scroll stopping combo. And here's how you do it. Just 2 steps, the movement and the curiosity hook. With the movement, stand with hand gesture. You can actually zoom in, make your focus being on what you want to portray, and add a hook that make people want to stay. The hook should be like a question that don't get answers except the person watched the video. Let me give a practical example. Instead of yes, how to edit video, you can actually say you've been editing video wrongly the whole time. Or another example is, instead of saying yes, how much YouTube paid me, you can be like, you won't believe how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. Now combine that with a jump cut or hand motion. Boom, you've gained 3 extra seconds of viewers' attention. And that's all the algorithm needs to keep pushing your content. Let me give you a case study. Let me show you what happened in this video. The same video, same creator, same energy, but different strategy. I uploaded this video using the same content, this and this, and I got entirely different results because I changed the strategy. So if you want to jump on this, here are extra tips that will make you stand out. First thing, use big bold caption. People just want to read fast and leave there and go to the next content. Add a sound or voice that grabs attention. You can use trendy sounds for these. These also help your content to go viral. Don't drag. Keep every second intentional. If the pause is too long, people will just scroll away. So cut off every fluff, every mistake, every cut them up. Cut them out. Leave a teaser, or should I say a tease. You've seen some video content and then you'll be like, they'll write on the hook, you won't believe how it ended, but there's a twist, something like that. So people will be like, what happened? How did this end? You understand? Maybe after grabbing their attention for the very first 2 seconds, they want to know what happened to the very end. Or you can see some hooks that people will say, wait to the end. People want to feel their curiosity. And the last one, which is very important, CTA. Always have your CTA. CTA means call to action. I know you'll be like, they know that they should subscribe and all of that. No, they don't know. You need to tell your viewers what they should do. If you want them to follow for more, if you want them to like the video or comment, tell them what you want. So guys, if you found this video helpful and you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell button so you get notified whenever I post any video. And don't forget to like this video. It's very important. So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.